Hello there, traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover, I will speak about the gold market. I will go through USD versus Japanese yen, and I will speak about the Bitcoin. I will start with the gold market first. So what we got basically in the previous 2 days in the gold, we got a massive spike to the upside after the news. We got basically a buying climax. You see the volume is ultra high. We got very wide range bars, and if you check here, this bar here closed in the middle on an ultra high volume, and the price went immediately downside. This is a first basically sign that sellers got some distribution from this area here around 1868. After that, market did catch the bids again, so we basically got another retest or recontinuation of this upside move, but market never managed to break above 1868, and we created a very tight symmetrical triangle, and we got a breakout during the Tokyo session. This is basically just a sign for me that as long that we don't take aggressively 1868, we can still trade lower and probably try to go towards a single prints that, and the area where we didn't have so many trading back and forth. This is the area around 1842 towards the 1833. So my thinking here is that price will probably try to head towards this area here and try to test the single prints from 2 days ago. So eventually what we're selling opportunities on the rallies using the intraday time frames, like a 30-minute time frame, 15-minute or hourly. Speaking of the euro versus US dollar, what we got there is basically value is still building lower, even though the price tried to retest the point to control from yesterday at 1.1462. Price never managed to do that. Basically, it was just an attempt and market went downside. So it's still very strong downside momentum there, and we will need to consult the daily frame to see eventually what is the important pivot here. As I mentioned yesterday, we got important pivots at this stage here, 1.1423, and we also got a pullback lows here from 1.1376. So probably still more downside potential on the euro towards the next downside level. So selling on the rallies using the intraday charts will be a good strategy under the current condition. And to update you about the Bitcoin versus US dollar, basically what we got here is the daily, just remove drawings here, daily time frame. Basically we got upside breakout, there is a big outside bar, and we got some doji bars, but we're still building the higher lows. So if today we don't take this pin bar low, if we start to build higher lows, we can still see a higher prices in the Bitcoin and eventually retest of 68,470. If in the case the price will break that low, and that can confirm maybe some downside shift towards the 60,000 mark. So for now, we're still building the higher lows relative to the previous swing lows, relative to this pin bar low. But for now, it's still buying is preferable, and previous swing highs here can act like support. So if we don't take that aggressively, there is a more chance for the retest of 68,470. That will be all for this analysis. I hope that you did enjoy. I wish you a good day, and have a good weekend.